Robots are increasingly being created by various armies of the world to solve problems of varying complexity. They can destroy the enemy's manpower, demine territory, as well as perform other important tasks. And today, we have prepared for you a selection of the 10 best military robots in the world. MUT, Multi-Utility Tactical Transport, an unmanned ground vehicle UGV, which comes in two versions, wheeled and tracked. MUT accompanies the soldiers, making it easier to load them by reducing the amount of equipment that they carry when they cross difficult terrain on foot. In addition, thanks to the integrated weapons station with a minigun, MUT is able to fire support for its unit. MUT has a payload of 600 pounds when moving on the ground. During the swim, it can transport up to 300 pounds of cargo. The vehicle is powered by lithium-ion batteries. On one full charge, transporting 530 pounds, MUT, along with its unit, can go 18 miles to the full discharge of the battery. Harris T7. The Harris T7 explosive object robot provides best-in-class mobility, handling capabilities, intuitive controls, and uncompromising technical specification for mission-critical tasks. T7 is compatible with standard demining equipment and weapons. It provides the ability to perform a wide range of tasks, including the destruction of improvised explosive devices. Made from proven materials, the T7 has a modular design that uses standards that enable collaboration through common interfaces. The weight of the robot is 710 pounds. It can rise and fall along stairs and relief surfaces with a tilt angle of no more than 40 degrees. T7 is also equipped with HD cameras that allow you to assess the situation qualitatively. Rambo. Israeli company Meteor Aerospace introduced a multi-purpose unmanned ground vehicle Rambo. The car has a wheel alignment of 6x6, and each wheel is equipped with an electric motor. Thanks to the independent hydraulic suspensions of each wheel, the Israeli Rambo is characterized by high maneuverability and maneuverability. Power supply of electric motors can be carried out in two modes, directly from the batteries or using the built-in diesel generator. In the first case, the maximum application range is 31 miles. In the second, 186 miles. This remotely controlled vehicle can be used to support the troops. It provides for the installation of small arms or rocket systems. Rambo can also be used to patrol and guard the perimeters of objects or frontiers, for reconnaissance and logistics operations, to detect minefields, and also as a means for transporting the wounded. Milrem Themis. Estonian designers offered their Themis multi-purpose unmanned aerial chassis capable of carrying various weapons or systems. The new project on this machine is proposed to mount the combat module Impact from the company MBDA. By connecting the two finished products, it creates a full-fledged remote control combat vehicle designed to combat armored vehicles. This product was originally developed as a self-propelled platform with a remote control capable with a net weight of 3,200 pounds. Themis also has a hybrid diesel-electric power plant. Inside the holes are traction motors that are responsible for rewinding tracks. When using diesel and batteries, the chassis' continuous operation time reaches 10 hours. When using only batteries, this time is reduced to 1.5 hours. HDT Hunter Wolf. The American company HDT Global, a leading supplier of high-tech solutions for extreme conditions in the military, public, and private sectors, announced that its wheeled offload logistics follower, Wolf, was selected to conclude a U.S. Army Squad Mission Equipment transport contract. The mobility of the Hunter Wolf system fully meets the requirements of the infantry. She can move along narrow paths, steep slopes, and dense jungle while carrying up to 1,000 pounds of cargo for more than 72 hours without refueling. Hunter Wolf is equipped with a hybrid gasoline-electric power plant, which makes it possible to operate in silent mode. The modular system architecture and full compliance with the Army Information Exchange protocols makes it easy to install various specialized nodes on the machine, allowing you to solve different tasks. Rheinmetall Mission Master. The German company Rheinmetall has developed a new modular unmanned ground vehicle called the Mission Master. which was introduced in July 2017 as part of the infantry system. According to Rheinmetall, new unmanned systems in combination with infantry components provide rapid reconnaissance and reaction, facilitating combat operations in difficult terrain, for example, in densely built areas, forests, and mountains. The machine can also serve as a weapon platform or perform a transport role and can be remotely controlled or autonomously operated. At the moment, Rheinmetall offers for Mission Master 3 modules: cargo modification, for monitoring, and for fire support. Black Knight. The largest combat robot in the American Army today is the Black Knight, developed by BAE Systems. This tracked vehicle weighs 9.5 tons and is armed with a 30mm automatic cannon and a machine gun paired with it. The robot is equipped with television cameras, thermal imagers, and satellite navigation systems. Black Knight is equipped with a Caterpillar engine producing 300 horsepower. Having such a power plant, Black Knight can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Management of this tank is carried out using a mobile control panel. Phantom. This is a multi-purpose tactical unmanned machine. The robot has a machine gun of 12.7 millimeters and for the destruction of armored targets can use 4 anti-tank guided missiles. The target hit distance is up to 3 miles. Communication with the robot is carried out through a radio channel with a radius of action of up to 6 miles or via fiber optic cable. It is important to note that the robot has already proven some of the stated capabilities. He can successfully move over rough terrain and fire from a machine gun mounted on it. URAN 9. The combat robot URAN 9 is a remote-controlled tracked vehicle, which belongs to the category of ground combat unmanned vehicles. The robot is able to conduct reconnaissance of the terrain and hit various types of targets, both ground and low-flying aerial. Outwardly, this formidable ground-based drone resembles a small-sized tracked armored personnel carrier with a turret, in which its main strike armament is located, including a 30mm automatic cannon and a 7.62mm machine gun paired with it. Missile armament of the URAN 9 drone is represented by anti-tank guided missiles equipped with a radio command control system, as well as anti-aircraft missiles. In addition, the rocket flamethrower is part of the robotic complex. Thanks to the existing weapons complex, this combat robot can hit targets at a distance of up to 3 miles during the day and up to 2.5 miles at night. Veer. Once it was an ordinary infantry fighting vehicle. The designers taught a typical car to drive without a driver, to shoot without a gunner, and to choose targets without a commander. This is a real breakthrough of the Russian military tactical industry to teach the machine to work without a crew. At the same time, the key idea is that such a robot can be used both without a crew and in normal mode. The automatic mode, control is provided by 3 operators. However, as the designers say, in the future it will be possible to control the Veer alone. Orientation in space is performed on cameras located on board, as well as using quadrocopters. The control range is up to 3 miles, and the main gun is a 30mm cannon. At the same time, in addition to the cannon and the 7.62mm machine gun, the Veer is armed with smoke grenades and a grenade launcher. That's all for today. Write in the comments which of the robots you like the most, and hit like if you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.